And now your weather with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
Well, a busy day in the weather department. We've got a strong area of low pressure that's currently moving across the upper Midwest, and the areas that are impacted right now from it include all the way from Wisconsin down into Iowa and even northern Illinois. They had a couple severe thunderstorm warnings. We had the first round of thunderstorms that moved right across into Lake Michigan, and then there's additional back building of thunderstorms that we'll be monitoring as we head into the rest of the evening hours. Here's a closer look showing that line that pushed through this afternoon, providing some heavy downpours, a little bit of some gusty winds, but so far all the reports have been under sub-severe criteria. And then there's a little cell right here that's moving just to the south of Wisconsin Dells. To the east and northeast, we'll be monitoring this cell if it starts to scrape across our far southern viewing area for the potential for some hail and gusty winds. Rainfall totals under an inch for most of us, but into the far north into northern Menominee County, we did pick up around 2 to 4 inches of rainfall, radar estimation, and it's from this cell that just stagnated and produce heavy rain right over the same location. Right now there is a flash flood warning for far northern Menominee County until 6:15. For the severe weather spectrum, slight risk has shifted down southward, and so with it the enhanced risk of severe weather. Better chance for seeing some organized severe storms will be over southern Wisconsin into northern Iowa. And talking about northern Iowa, there is a tornado watch and multiple tornado warnings. There's been several reports, over a dozen of tornadoes so far this afternoon and into the evening. They are busy down over Iowa. I've been seeing some videos of some large tornadoes. As for us, here are the reports of some gusty winds. Manitowoc, Appleton, and Green Bay right around the upper 30, low 40 mile per hour wind gusts from that line that first moved through. Can't rule out some additional gusty winds, some small hail, but it is the flooding threat that we'll be most concerned with. There is a slight risk for excessive rainfall, which means heavy rains that could cause some flooding out there. So timing it out hour by hour as we head into the rest of the evening. This is 6:15. Not that impressive, but by about 9 o'clock, we see a new round of heavier showers and thunderstorms building in here and continuing until about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. And that's when it starts to move out of our area. This is 4:30 in the morning. Still some lingering showers and storms, but the heaviest of the precipitation will be done by then. And by the time it's done, some areas could be picking up several inches of rainfall. And this ends up being the case. We could be dealing with some localized flooding areas, so watch out for those headlines. We'll keep you posted on our later newscasts and also on our social media platforms. Upper 60s and lower 70s right now across our area. We have cooled down a little bit since seeing afternoon highs in the lower 80s. The rain showers do act as a natural air conditioner, cooling us off. We'll drop down into the mid-60s tonight with a breezy southwest wind at about 10 to 20 miles per hour, with showers and thunderstorms expected, some of which may cause some flooding concerns. Tomorrow, not as warm, high temperatures in the upper 70s, variable winds coming in at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. As you get into the afternoon, skies are going to start to clear initially out of the northwest and moving down to the southeast. It's 28 on Thursday, partly cloudy skies. Then we get into the lower 80s on Saturday, and then starting to warm up, getting near 90 degrees by Monday, and then a little cool off down into the lower to mid 80s by next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, Nina.
Another beautiful weekend. We need it. There are only a few more left in the summer. Thanks, Gino.